Hey, what's up, guys? Let's talk about how far you can drive a 2008 Nissan Altima if your tank if your tank is empty. Well, obviously it's not empty. If you go, like, you can still drive it, but if your tank is almost empty and you get that warning message that says, you know, you have like 30 miles left in your car. So I've had that come up a couple of times where it tells me I have like 31 miles left. You know, that warning message that comes up on here, and then it'll say like 21 miles left, and at some point it's just gonna have like, the warning is just gonna be a warning. It's not gonna tell you, you know, what the range is on how much gas you have. I mean, last time that happened, it says I have like 21 miles left on my tank, and you know, a couple minutes later, you know, that 21 miles goes to, you know, a couple of lines. You know, it doesn't show you the range. So now I wouldn't tell you guys to drive like 20 more miles before you guys can get gas, because at that point when the warning comes off, I'm sure that the first thing that comes up in your head, I gotta get gas. I gotta stop at a gas station and get gas as soon as possible. So I've done some research, and apparently, you know, when that warning light comes on most cars, you get, you know, around 30 miles, and it kind of depends on the car that you're driving, but on average you get about 30 miles of driving range before there's absolutely no gas in the tank and your car dies out. I haven't personally tried driving this car to absolute empty after the warning light comes on. The last time was last week. The warning light came on, says I have 31 miles left. Drive for another, you know, I drove it for maybe like 15 more minutes. It says, you know, it drops to like 25 or whatever. Drive it a little more, it drops to 21, and then you drive 2 more minutes after that, and it doesn't give you the range at all on how much more you can drive the car before it just totally dies on you. So at that point, I was like, you know what, I gotta get to a gas station, because I'm pretty sure I could have drove it for like 21 more miles before it died on me, but why take the chance?